Good morning everyone. So I am here in front of you to have my demonstration for senior high school in the field of mathematics. So let me just show you my lesson plan. We have the objectives. Next we have our subject matter. So with our procedure. Next we have our assessment and also our assignment. So let me now start my demonstration. Okay, please stand for the opening prayer. Okay, good morning class. Good morning. So last meeting we discussed about what? So anyone can summarize what we have discussed yesterday? Okay, very good. So yesterday we discussed about permutation and combination. For today, we will have another topic to discuss. For now, I want you to observe this one. So what do you call this one? So this is a die. So how about this one? So this is a deck of cards. So now I have here scrambled letters for you to arrange. So all you have to do is to group yourselves into two groups. So the first group that would be able to arrange the scrambled letters and come up with the words would be given additional points. So this is for your group 1, this is for your group 2. Okay, you may now start. So I will just give you 5 minutes to arrange the letters. Okay, yes, group 1, are you done? Okay, so what first word were you able to come up with after arranging the letters? You come up with probability. Okay, very good. Next, Irish, what word? Okay, sample space. Yes, really? You come up with events. Okay. So what is probability? So what is sample space? What is an event and how are we going to use probability in a real life situation? So now, we are going to discuss about probability. So when we say probability, so it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the chance of an event occurring. So in probability, we have ways how are we going to denote probability. So first way, we have a fraction. Next, we have decimal. Next, we have percentage. So since probability is a chance of a desired outcome or event occurring, so it is important first and foremost that we are going to get set of all possible outcomes. And now, the set of all possible outcomes is called a sample space. So from the sample space, we are going to find a specific event. So an event is the situation in which a desired outcome occurs. So it is a subset of the sample space. So if we will try to answer this example, we have 2 examples for you to answer. So we are going to identify the sample space and the event of these examples. For example, number 1, a 3-horseman die is rolled. So if we are going to roll a die, so what could be the possible set of all possible outcomes? So the answer would be 6. How or why? Because a die has 6 faces. How about an event? So an event in this example is only 1. 1 because a 3 comes up only once on a die. So next example number 2. Obtaining a head on a toss of a coin. So what could be the set of all possible outcomes when you toss a coin? So there could be 2 because in a coin we only have head and tail. Next, what is our event here? So the event is only 1 because we only come up with 1 head when we are going to toss a coin. Now, so if an event E can occur M ways out of N possible equally likely to happen or outcome of a sample space S, the probability of an event is equal to M over N, where M is our event and N is our sample space. Just try to answer this example. So I want you to answer these examples. So example number 1. We try to answer, Victoria. So in a bag of the first 10 letters of the alphabet, what is the probability of drawing a vowel? So if we will try to get the first 10 letters, we have A, B, C, D until G. So we come up with how many vowels in this example? So we only have A, E, and I, or E. So we have our M, or our event, is 3, and our N, or the sample space, is 10. Okay, next example. Oh, please answer example really. So what's the answer for example number 2? An ordinary die is rolled once. So what is the probability of getting an even number? So again, if we are going to roll a dice, or a die, so what is the probability of getting an even number? So the probability, we have 6 faces, so therefore our sample space, or our N, is 6. Our M, or the event, we have an even number 2, an even number 4, an even number 6. So there are 3. So therefore the probability is 3 over 6, or 1/2. Okay, did you get? Were you able to get what we have discussed today? So do you still have questions? So if I were to ask you, how are we going to apply, or how are we going to use probability in a real life situation? Okay, anyone from the class? Okay, yes, Eduardo. Okay, we can apply probability, like for example, when Mang Tani, or when Pag-asa says, there is an 80% chance of raining. So people are given a heads up that it is more likely to rain today. So 80% is actually a number that denotes a probability. So for now, I want you to, so you still have questions? Okay, none so far. I want you to get 1/4 size of paper. Please answer your, okay, so can you please answer this one? I will just give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, are you now done? Okay, please pass your papers to the front. Then, I want you to copy your assignment. Please copy your assignment at your notebook. So, are you now done copying? Okay. Please stand for the closing prayer. Please lead the prayer, Jandi. Okay, class dismissed. Goodbye, class.